Hi, my name is Sam Shaw with Boss Routers. I'm going to show you how to properly load a tool into your ISO 30 tool holder. What we have here is a 3/8 compression spiral. We're going to load it into our tool number 1 holder located on our Boss CNC router. This is an ER32 collet. We're going to put this into the locking nut of our ISO 30 tool holder. Once you have it locked in, you're going to insert your tool into the collet. You never want to be into the cutting diameter of the tool, and you never want to have the tool sticking above the top of your collet. I typically do about an 1/8 inch down from the bottom of the cutting diameter to the bottom of the collet. Once you have it inserted, you're going to get your ISO 30 tool hand tightened so there's no slippage in your tool. Once it's hand tightened, there's 2 flats located on the sides of your tool holder right here. You're going to put your tool into your tool locking device, rotate it until it locks into place. Once it's locked into place, release this button and it'll lock. Your ER32 tool wrench has 4 divots located along each side of it. You're going to line up those divots with the divots on your tool locking nut. Once you have it lined up, go ahead and tighten your tool. About 80 to 90 pounds of pressure is what you need to tighten this. About the same amount that you have tightening a saw blade on your table saw. Once it's tightened, you can go ahead and insert that tool into your tool fork. It'll go flush with the top.